In fast-developing cities like Hong Kong, public housing estates face monumental challenges in modernization. To address this, one estate chose Milesight's 4G solar-powered camera kit, an efficient and low-effort solution to upgrade its parking management system. This estate faced multiple challenges: complex vehicle access across two separate gates, a wide variety of license plates, including cross-border formats, aging facilities, difficult wiring, and frequent illegal parking. With goals of automation and reduced labor, high plate recognition accuracy was essential. Milesight deployed 4G solar-powered ANPR cameras at both entry points, one for the estate and another for the underground garage. With real-time API integration, long-range coverage, and 98% high-accuracy recognition, the cameras connected seamlessly with their third-party platform and powered complex billing rules, including time-based logic across both gates. To handle Hong Kong's unique license plate ecosystem, Milesight provided a custom-trained OCR model with a multi-plate filtering system, improving data accuracy and billing fairness. For enforcement, another set of cameras ran a custom PMC algorithm to identify illegal parking in restricted areas. They tracked vehicle stay time with precision, automatically triggered image uploads for violations, and pushed alerts to staff in real time. No manual patrols needed, just automated enforcement with data-rich evidence. The entire system was deployed wirelessly, powered by solar, and operated fully on edge. It's perfect for deployments on no power and no internet sites. From robust hardware to advanced software, we brought modern automation to a legacy estate fast. Without disturbing infrastructure, the estate now enjoys smoother operations, increased billing accuracy, greater scalability, and a dramatically reduced manual workload. That's what Milesight delivers: practical intelligence, ready when you are.